my name is Victoria, and today I'll be taking you through KineMaster tutorial. So this is just a basic editing tool that you can use for your video editing and whatever you want to do, video content creation. So I'm going to tap on the KineMaster app. All right, from the previous class, I've been able to explain what KineMaster is and how to be familiar with the basic interface and what have you on that application. So I'm just going to tap on the plus sign. All right, so when I tap on it, I have the option of choosing the 16 by 9. So that is what I use for the standard. So basically what you do first, when you tap on it to create a project, it shows you where you can actually add background or whatever you want to use as your media. Okay, so I'm just going to tap on background, and of course you can pick any color. So I can pick this color, and then let me pick white, and then I can choose black or yellow. Okay, so I'll just tap on this sign over here. When I tap on it, this particular sign over here, when I tap on it, I have the option of having this particular interface. So this is what happens. So as you can see on this screen, when I tap on it, okay, it comes up as yellow, and I can go ahead to change the color from the interface. But now here is what I'm going to do. I'm going to tap on this over here. Okay, this is where you have your clip graphics. What clip graphics does is you can go ahead and download as much as you can, all right, from Get More. So when you tap on Get More, you can download more clip graphics, okay, where you have options. So you can decide to tap on the clip graphics for this and maybe choose this particular one. So if I choose this 3D, it comes out this way. So as you can see over here, that is what you have as your clip graphics, right? So I can decide to choose online class. If I choose online class, it gives me this, okay, as what you want to achieve. All right, but then let me go back, and then I can click on this orange and blue. When I click on this orange and blue, basically that's what it gives me. Okay, so that's how to get things going all by yourself. All right, but then you can choose this social media, and then your image comes like this on social media. So depending on what you want a matrix background. All right, so that's what the video editing does. So it simply means that when you want to create something from the scratch, you can either use any of these. Okay, so you see it's giving me a very beautiful texture, or better still, you can have something like this, okay, or these, and then you add in your text. Whatever you add will come up on the clip graphics. Okay, so you can as well do this and then choose a particular one. All right, and then when you do that, you have what you can go ahead to move to the next one by tapping on the white. When you tap on the white, you can also go ahead to clip graphics and do what you want to the clip graphics. So okay, so if I want this, all right, so this is what comes out on the clip graphics. So I can add in my text here as Victoria tutorial, Victoria video tutorial, or Victoria videos. So you can see how it came out. You can choose any one that you want. Okay, so you can see how this goes. So you have the option of having about 3 or 4 texts over here, depending on what exactly you want. So you can even change the color from red to actually green. All right, when you map it out, you have that option over here. So you can actually change the color to this point over here and mark it. You see you're having different interface. So the same way, you can either tap on these like I've explained. When you tap on this plus sign over here, you're just basically choosing the transition. So this plus sign, over here. When you tap on it, you just want to, you're changing the transition, you want to choose the transition. How do you want the transition to go? So when I tap on the plus sign over here, you can see transition effect. So do I want it to be like a heat break, or do I want it to be like effervescent? Do I want it to be like video shades and all of that? Okay, so you must have seen. So when I pick it, that one, you can see how it goes. So there's this particular, this is where you call your app store, where you can make shopping for any of these. All right, when you tap on it, you have the option of shopping. All right, KineMaster Asset Store, so you can shop for overlay. All right, you can see lightning. You can use this particular one to actually control. You can see effects, you can see these, you can see that one, you can see overlay, you can see songs. All of that, you have to shop for them. Okay, so you can do that by logging in. When you tap in over here, you see effect. All right, this is transition. Under transition, you have different types of transition. You have 3D, so you can just tap on it and then you can download. All right, so when you download it, will install it. So this is already installed. I'll just click on go back button. You can see different types of transitions, and one thing about this is that they keep on adding to it. So they keep on adding to the different types of transitions that you have. So whichever one that goes with the video, you already have an idea of what you want to create. So you just pick something that goes in line with it and you create an awesome video. So imagine you having this that you can see on your screen as a transition. Do you know how your video will look like? It will look awesome. So you guys see, basically amazing beautiful transitions. Wow, I didn't even see all of these. So you can download as much as you want on your, you can see this like a book. All right, you can see how it's, so if you're actually talking, you're a coach, you want to really explain something, you can use this transition and then it will give you something. So you can see it's already installed on my phone. All right, so you have 3D, you have action on this other catalog. This catalog over here actually controls everything. All right, so you control, so you can go from one point to the other. You have zoom slide, you have new page. So page by page, you have, you can download like new page. It just gives you something really amazing. So when you do that, you have different options. So you see that it is very awesome to make use of all of these. Okay, so I'm just going to go back and then try to click on transition over here and see, let me use of this new page and see how it looks like. All right, so you have the option of increasing it. How long do you want it to move to the next page? So let's play our video and see. All right, so this is it. All right, so you can decide to import your image by tapping on layer. When you tap on layer, you can click on media and then you can choose a picture. For me, okay, let's say you have this and then I want a picture for myself. I can just tap on this particular picture and then I bring over here. Remember, you can use the remove background to actually remove this background and then it comes out transparent to fit this one. So let me just click on the delete button on the left hand corner. But then there's something I really want to show you. Let me see how long this video is. Okay, so it's already 10 minutes, so I'm just going to stop here and then in the next video we're going to continue.